This is a 2008 Ford F-150. It features a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, alloy wheels, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a CD player, leather seats, a bed liner, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, dusk sensing headlights, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has fewer than 68,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Joe Cooper Ford of Tulsa is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3400 South Sheridan in Tulsa.